आर यू ऑल रेडी? बुलाना चाहूँगा सबसे पहला, आप आ जाएं प्लीज।
Great evening, everybody. Thank you, sir, for giving opportunity. How's your life? I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. This is Ayush. I am a student. I study in classics. I study in Tata DA Public School. I want to become a businessman. My favorite teacher is Mr. My hobbies are I like play badminton. I like play cricket. I like study. My strength is SST and math. My weakness is studying English. But on working that, my father name is Dilip Kumar. My mother name is Bobby Devi. My father profession is welder. My mother profession is shopkeeper. I have got 10 members in my family. I have got two siblings in my family. Now I want to tell about my family. There is mother, there is father, there is sister, there is there is mama. Now I want to tell about my house. There are washing machine, there are fishes, there are beds, there are cumbles, there are godreges, there are gates, there are windows, there are mixers, there are rooms, there are water bottle, there are fridge, there are inverter, there are dresses, there are clock, there are watch. Now I want to tell about my society. My society is very big society. There are so many people in my society. There are so many uncle in my society. There are so many aunt in my society. There are so many sleepers in my society. There are so many windows in my society. There are so many gates in my society. There are so many houses in my society. There are so many clocks in my society. There are so many watch in my society. There are so many chairs in my society. There are so many Cumbers in my society. There are so many rooms in my society. There are so many bikes in my society. There are so many cars in my society. There are so many dresses in my society. There are so many tables in my society. There are so many water bottles in my society. There are so many chairs in my society. Thanks for it.
Great evening, everybody. Great evening. Thanks for it, sir. How is your life? It's getting day by day fantastic. I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. This is Aryan Biswakarma. I study in class 7. I study in Tata DA Public School. I am a student. My hobbies is cricket playing and business dealing. My favorite teacher is Amit sir. I live to Bhelgada but belong to Bihar. My strength is cricket. My weakness is English speaking. My mother name is Kavita Devi. My father name is Sunil Viswakarma. My sibling is 4. My family number is 6. My father professional is engineer. My mother professional is housewife. Now I want to tell about my house. There are shoes in my house. There are TVs in my house. There is bike in my house. There is car in my house. There is gate in my house. There are bats in my house. Now I want to tell about my society. There are poles in my society. There are cards in my society. There are general store in my society. There are cafe in my society. There are hotels in my society. There are cars in my society. There are coaching center is my society. Done, sir.
Great evening, everybody. How is your life? Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. This is Harshita Dubey. I am a student. I study in class 4. I study in Holy Cross School. I want to become IPS officer. My hobby is playing badminton and reading books. I live at Bhelgada. My favorite sir is Amit sir. My strength is English speaking. My weakness is talking English, but I am working on that. My mother name is Khushbu Dubey. My father name is Samintanjay Dubey. My mother profession is working in Query AB office. My father profession is working in SIS company. I have got two siblings in my family. I have got 7 members in my family. Now I want to tell about my home. There are tables in my home. There are chairs in my home, there are brooms in my home, there are washing machine in my home, there are spoon in my home, there are plates in my home, there are cooler in my home, there are beds in my home, there are room in my home, there are pillow in my home, there are flowers in my home, there are plant in my home, there are curtain in my home, there are switchboard in my home. Now I want to tell about my society. My society is very big and beautiful. There are so many trees in my society, there are so many houses in my society, there are so many shops in my society, there are so many toy shops in my society, there are so many cafes in my society, there are so many store in my society. Now I want to tell about my family members. There are so many people in my family member. That is mother, that is father, that is maternal grandmother, that is maternal grandfather, that is Mausi. Please stand up. Please come. Please go. Please stop. Please come. Please sit down. Please give me your pen. Take it. Please stand up. Please come. Please sit down. No, please go. Please stop. Please come. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please come. Please go. Please stop. Please come. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please go. Please stop. Please come. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please come. Please sit down. Then please go. Please stop. Please come. Please sit down. Great evening,
Everyone.
everyone.
How is
Is
going
going
your
your
life?
life? This is
Harsh
Harsh
Dubbe.
Dubey.
I am
I am
student.
student.
I study
I study
in
in
LKG.
LKG.
I study
I study
in
in
Vivekanand
Vivekanand
Academy.
Academy.
I want to
I want to
become
become
क्या बनना चाहते हैं? क्या बनना चाहते हैं? बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे? पुलिस, डॉक्टर,
Fauji.
फौजी. All right. Thank you so much. Please sit down, please. All right. Thank you so much.